Here's how to master the lateral skater jump, one of the best moves for building speed, balance, and explosive power. Before starting, a quick warm-up is key. Make sure to open up your hips, loosen your hamstrings, and prime your ankles so your joints are ready to absorb any impact. Step 1. Side step touch. For this, step out to the side, shift your weight onto the leg, and slightly tap the opposite hand towards your foot. This teaches you balance and weight transfer. Step 2. Alternating lateral lunges. You want to step wide to the side, bend one knee, and keep the other leg straight. Sit your hips back as you lower, then drive back to standing position. This will build strength in your glutes and inner thighs. Step 3. Small skater hops. You want to hop slightly from side to side, landing softly on one foot with your knees bent and chest tall. Focus on staying balanced before moving to the other side. Last but not least, the full lateral skater jumps. You want to push explosively off one leg, cover distance laterally, and land with control. I promise you that this progression works for you if you're an athlete, a runner, or anyone wanting more agility and stability. The lateral skater jump will take your athleticism to the next level, helping you move quicker and stay balanced in every workout.